Well, a chilly start to get through on our Sunday, but after that we warm up quite nicely pretty quickly and about 30 miles per hour. These are the cities that are in its path: Glen St. Mary, McClenny, and Lawton. Take a look at that. We didn't jump up too much as we go through Sunday, so this just goes to show you parts of about Alachua County southward staying dry this weekend, so not a complete washout. Really going to see the rain more towards the Panhandle, more towards the I-10, I-75 corridor. Good evening, guys. I'm live here at McKeithen Stadium. Now, we are feeling a couple drops, but for the most part, staying dry out here. So the game is scheduled to start at 7 o'clock. The Gators getting ready to take on Alabama. We're going to see that steady and long-lasting rainfall continuing through the overnight hours. We're watching a little bit of a weather roller coaster in terms of temperatures and rainfall. So today will be the last day of highs in the 80s. A cold front comes for us tonight, pushes southeast. That's going to drop our temperatures 20 to 25 degrees. Then, like I said, you put both of those together, you get those wind chills. So 14 degrees could be what it feels like tomorrow morning. We'll lift, and that's what's going to help to moderate our temperatures by the beginning of the work week. But check this out. We're still seeing a northwesterly flow, and those northern winds is really what's going to help to keep us a little bit on the cool side of things. Of course, the northeast New England right now getting pounded by that colder weather. And now this is a big difference from where we were this time yesterday. If you can remember, you were waking up to temperatures in the 60s. Well, now we're in the 30s, and here's the difference: 26 degrees cooler right now in Gainesville than we were yesterday at this time. We could see that possible nor'easter forming, and then that's going to once again just help to reinforce that colder northern air. And you can see it gives a chance for that warmer air to push in from the south, and then by Sunday of next weekend, take a look at this. Most of the United States is going to be in that warmer portion of it, or at least seeing a relief from the colder temperatures. Already seeing some rainfall in parts of north central Florida, and that will continue to stay steady as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Hope you're enjoying your Tuesday, and enjoy the next couple of days, because beyond Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to see this cool down. Temperatures could get below 27 degrees for several hours as we go through the night tonight and tomorrow morning. Pretty much a repeat of yesterday, even a couple degrees warmer in some areas. 74 for the high in Gainesville, all the way from Texas really up through New England, getting snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rainfall. Cooler weekend ahead. We bounce back on Monday with temperatures getting back to near average, and then we see the 80s again on Wednesday. So still dry right now here at McKeithen Stadium. As far as we know, the game is still set to start at 7 o'clock. Of course, very brief in nature with those storms. Alachua County, Marion County is not out of the woods yet, but a warm and nice weekend with lowered rain chances on the way. Back to you. Good afternoon. Hope you've enjoyed your Wednesday. Well, we were a lot warmer today than we were on our Tuesday, back into the 80s, but I hope you enjoy it for the next couple of days, because we won't see this warm weather for too long. Here's a look at hour by hour showing temperatures for your evening and overnight. So moving through the 70s and getting down to the 60s after midnight. You can see the clouds do start to clear up as well. So we'll wake up to less clouds than we did this morning. And then the winds becoming more southwesterly, so pushing in a little bit more moisture as well as that warm weather. Lows across the area mild once again. 60 degrees in Gainesville, 58 in High Springs, 56 in Lake City. And of course, these lows are still a little bit above average. Normally we're seeing the lower 50s for our lows, but staying mild with temperatures near 60. So what are we tracking here in the WRUF Weather Center? Well, if you like cold weather, then it's good news, but if you like the warm weather, then this weekend might have some bad news for you, because we are tracking a stronger cold front that's going to come for us on Friday. Highest rain chances for showers and thunderstorms will be on our Friday, specifically on Friday morning. I'll get to the details in just a second. And then for your weekend, a beach busting forecast. So if you had plans to break out the bathing suits, you might want to put them away and take out a light jacket as temperatures get down to the 60s for our highs this weekend. Humidity starts to pick back up and move in ahead of the cold front on Thursday. By Friday and Saturday, drier air will push in. So if the cold news, the news about the cold isn't that great for you, well, the less humidity should be good news for most of us. So Future Track is going to show where and when this rain is likely to start moving in. I think by 8 o'clock on Thursday evening, we could start seeing some spotty showers start to make their way through, mainly up towards the I-10 and I-75 corridors. So starting in our more northwestern counties, moving towards the southeast and becoming more widespread just after midnight. And then through the early morning hours, I think we could see a possible thunderstorm pop up. We'll get some breaks in the rain, as you just saw. And then by about drive time on our Friday afternoon, another band of showers comes through before the clouds and the rain finally move off and we cool down on Friday night. We still have to get through another nice day of 80-degree weather, though. Areas of patchy fog possible once again on our Thursday. We saw that Wednesday morning, of course. Lunch break warming quickly, getting into the upper 70s and then reaching the 80s once again. I think we'll be a little bit warmer on Thursday than we were on our Wednesday, but clouds do build through the day on Thursday ahead of these showers that are going to come for Friday, and then the temperatures really dip down Saturday and Sunday.